Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the exact task and writing sample I/O. This guides every decision. Next, create a project folder and open a new file named Program. Pi, because consistent file names make running and grading simple. Install Python 3. 8+ if needed, then pick an editor you know. It speeds up typing and debugging. Once done, write a minimal main function stub and one sample function signature so you can run quick smoke tests and confirm the environment works. You now translate the plan into code by decomposing the task into functions or a class. This reduces bugs and makes grading easier. Implement one function at a time and run it immediately. Quick feedback prevents long debugging sessions. Use descriptive names, docstrings, and type hints so the logic is self-explanatory. Once a piece works, add a unit test for typical and edge cases. Test-driven progress ensures that later changes don't break earlier behavior and clarifies why each part exists. You finish by integrating the components into main and confirming output formatting matches the specification. Small mismatches often cause grading failures. Run all tests and try large inputs to check performance. Optimize hotspots only when necessary. If something fails, isolate the failing test and add prints or use a debugger to inspect intermediate values so you see where assumptions break. A key troubleshooting tip: reduce the failing case to the smallest reproducible input. That usually reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.